Yes, you, I'm talking to you. Stop being a Thomas. Yeah, stop being Thomas. Do something and watch you making it. This is your year. Stop being Thomas. Watch this video and subscribe. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. Wow, wow, this is amazing. Some people will still doubt. Some people will still not believe this. You can actually making money online. Just imagine you were just doing a little tax and you have been paying in dollar. Wait, reason why some people are not making money is because they doubt. They cannot make sacrifice for something. They want instant, you know, results. No, you have to be patient while you are doing something. Do you know you can make money by just watching videos, by just engaging yourself in some little tasks? Yeah, let me take it there. This is another year. Stop becoming Thomas. Do you know? Stop becoming Thomas. This year should be your year. This year should be your financial liberation, your financial breakthrough. Yeah, let's go into it. I'll be teaching you how you can just be watching, videos on the site, and you'll be making money. Listen and watch. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Welcome to my channel. But please just subscribe. Yeah, I'll be teaching you how you can make money online. This is a very niche that people are actually making money, but you have to be patient and you have to do the task. But believe me, at the end, you will make something for yourself. The hardship is so much strong at this part of the world right now, but you have to make something for yourself. Make money. You understand? Imagine you earning in dollar. It's another opportunity. It's another add up to your, to your finances. Yeah, I'll be taking you through. Now, this is my phone. I've received the link right now. I'm taking you to WhatsApp. Yeah, just click the link as you'll be clicking it in my bio or in the description. Yeah, you click the link. Yeah, the link is rolling now. It take you to a interface where you can just sign up. Yeah, said login, register. Here, so just say register if you are new. Put your name like this. I want to put my name, like, let me say the putting my name, my Gmail, my password. You have to generate a password for yourself. You have to create new password. Yeah, you create password for yourself. You confirm the password. You're creating. You say create account. Wow, account created successful. Got it. So now this is the interface. This is the user, experience. This is what you will see in your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Can you see it? Can you see it? Welcome. Yeah. Now let's go through our four stacks. Let's engage in our four stacks right now. Yeah. You go to videos. If you understand, look at these videos. Now I think this is Brother Shaggy's videos. So you have to watch the video. Yeah, watch the video for the first time. Let me watch. Yeah. I see. You have to that the video you want to
What is taking me away is fear. So it is really a two chances. You have to agree.
Yeah, the tax is done. Can you see you in $15 plus 6,000 naira, 6,508 naira? Yeah, you can still continue to watch another video. This is another video. This is another video meant for you to be watched.
So let's talk about
This is your balance. You have $40, you understand, in your balance, and you have 70,000 naira additional. But if you can refer somebody, that is another additional money. So you can actually cash out all this. You have to set up your payment, your payout method, your payment method. You have to set it. Choose your bank. Like you can choose OPay, choose any bank. You understand? Just you put your account number here. That is how it will work. So when your balance reach $200, you can withdraw the whole $200. Thank you for watching.